Hello friends, my name is Ada and this is your channel, Master Creative. If the tutorials are useful to you, please like and subscribe to support the channel. If you liked it, leave a comment. In this tutorial, we will use the Photopea website to create the background, and the rest of the design will be done in Canva. Without wasting time, let's get started with Photopea. Well, go to photopea.com, click File then New, and create a document with these settings. Go to the Layers panel, click Adjustment, and click Color Fill, and apply this color code. Add a new layer. Click Brush, and make sure you are in the foreground, and change the color to this color code. Make your brush settings from this section. Select the soft brush and increase its size. Go to Layer, and Duplicate Layer. Move it and rotate it. And lock the layers. Click on Ellipse, and change its color to white. From this keyboard, activate the Shift, and now drag. Go to Layer, and click Rasterize. Go to Filter, click Blur, select Gaussian Blur, and increase the radius. The link to download the texture and leaf PNG file is in the description section. Go to File, click Open and Place, and import the texture file. Make it fit the page. Then click Check Mark, and change the blend mode to Overlay. Reduce opacity. Background is ready. Go to File and Export as PNG. Then, click Save. Now let's go to Canva. Now upload and import the background. Also insert the PNG image of the leaf. Go to Effects. Click Shadow and choose Drop. And follow these settings. And change the color to this color code. And we copy this style and apply it to another leaf. Import your product image. and duplicate it. Go to Effects, Duotone. Click Custom. And change the shadow and highlight colors to this color code. Go to Effect and click Blur. And set the intensity to 70. And also reduce the transparency. And from the Layers section, bring down a layer. And select these two layers and convert them into a group. Go to Text, add a heading. And change the font to this font. Change its color too. Duplicate it. And type the next word. Convert these two layers into a group. Go to the text again, add a heading. And change the font to this font. Duplicate it. And type the next word. Change the font weight to bold. Go to Elements. And type Shop Now. Duplicate it. I use lorem dummy text in the tutorial. And yes, this is the result. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.